Hello, welcome to Canada Uncle English. Thank you for coming to our site. When you look at these videos, please remember that they're just not entertainment videos. I want you to learn to talk with me, sing with me. It's like a song. When two people sing, they both sing the same words, and it sounds beautiful. I want you to go to the video and type off the document that's attached. What you see in front of me on the screen is on a piece of paper. So the first time you watch my video, listen and follow along on the screen. Watch it a second time and try to read the words. Without the video, you can look at your piece of paper and you can read it the best to your ability. Go back to the video. Yes, it's going to be like the third time or fourth time. So you use this video to read and listen. But more importantly, you're here to talk. You're in your own room, you're in your own house. Watch me talk, learn the wording, learn the words, and then I want you to continue to practice and talk with me. As I speak the words, I want you to speak with me like two people singing a song. So as you speak, you will listen to me, but you will speak the same time as me. And if you do this on one video, maybe 6 or 7 times, yes, I know it might seem a little tiring, but it's practice. If you're a singer, you don't just sing the song once. You have to practice in the mirror and sing the song. On the good ship, lollipop. You have to practice. So, the purpose of my program and following me, Canada Uncle, you will learn to speak the words very clearly and confidently, and you can follow my tone. Okay? So, if you have any questions, you can always send us an email, but we're here to help. So remember, the videos are not for entertainment. They're here to practice speaking so that you can become a confident speaker. I know in Canada, or sorry, in China, many people can read English, many people can speak English, but you're not confident. You don't talk because you don't practice. That's what I understand. That's what I learn in China. You're not practicing. You don't get the opportunities to have these long conversations. That's what Canada Uncle is for. Thank you very much. Good luck. Bye bye.